Talofa, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, Dr. Tua. Kia ora to everyone. This one goes out especially to everyone who resides in Auckland, New Zealand, or anywhere in New Zealand for that matter. Here's your boy, Dr. Tua, once again giving you a reminder of what's about to go down in your shores on the 7th of December. Well, listen up. This guy comes to you, baby. Richard Parker himself and the full band, featuring Tony Alexander the rapper, Bila Monona, and of course myself will be in your shores on the 7th of December for one show and one show only in Auckland. So I'm urging everyone in New Zealand, from Wellington to the north side, south side, east side, what's the other side, back side, everybody from every side of New Zealand, grab yourself a ticket. I guarantee you it's going to be a sellout show, so you don't want to miss out on this one. Contact DJ Lamont for more information. I'll see you soon. I'll see you very soon. Ciao, ciao bella.